Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno 6 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings at the last position, so let's open them. And now we can find the location option with short info from the device that when we have it turned on we can display location information in photo and video details. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo or video, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like. Now let's move to right corner at the bottom to more and pick the details. So here at the third position we have location with full address. Greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.